大家好，歡迎嚟到冬廚房。Happy Mother's Day! Today I'm going to share one of my favorite Cantonese slow-cooked soup from my mom, green papaya chicken feet soup. 最近去露營，周山走行到腳都跛啊！今日就以形補形嚟煲個花生雞腳木瓜湯咧。以形補形 is a Chinese folk medicine, meaning taking shape to replenish the shape, and what to eat is a dietary theory of popular Chinese folk medicine. It is believed that eating plants or other animal organs similar in shape to organs that can nourish the corresponding organs of the human body. Let us now see how we're gonna make this soup. These are some of the dry ingredients. White beans and dry scallops are optional. If you're skipping the dry scallops, you can add more chicken feet for umami flavor. And please use skin-on peanuts. Give a pedicure to these guys. I'm using half of the papaya. Unripe papayas are rich in vitamins, enzymes, and other nutrients. It is also good detoxing food. Discard the seed and try to scratch all the white texture inside of the papaya. Peel off the skin. Cut to big cubes around 1.5 inches. Blanch chicken feet, mushrooms, and dry scallops with water for a couple of minutes, then rinse well. Most common question people ask me about Cantonese slow-cooked soup is, how much water and ingredients should we use? The answer depends on what pot that you use and how long you're cooking. I normally do the ratio of approximately 1:1 for the volume or based on serving. 8碗水煲埋6碗水就差唔多啦。For a 6-bowl serving, I would use 6 bowls of water and add 2 extra bowls for evaporation. Turn the water to a boil. Turn to low heat and simmer for 1.5 to 2 hours until everything is softened to your desired tenderness. If you like the chicken feet very soft and off of the bone, simmer the chicken feet for 30 minutes before adding in the papaya. That way the papaya won't be too soft and melted in the soup. If you can't finish your soup, store the soup and ingredients in separate containers. That way the papaya won't soak up all the soup. The chicken feet are soft enough to use my chopsticks to break the joint, but the skin is still chewy, same as everything else. That's how I like it. Simply add some salt to taste. 記得湯要趁熱飲喎。Enjoy your soup while it's hot. Alrighty, I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. 我哋下期再見啦，拜拜。妹妹快嚟飲湯。
嚟啦嚟啦，
有冇飲啊？
我飲啊！